One thing to note before you purchase our engraved shifters that fit the automatic and manual shifters with a threaded rod only is just that you must have a threaded rod that the plastic adapters that are included can thread onto. If your shifter has a button or a trigger that then allows you to unlock the transmission gears, it will not work. You will then need to order one of our other shifters that has a button on top to be able to release that plunger and unlock your gear. So as long as you have a simple threaded rod, you'll be okay. The other thing to note is if you have a manual vehicle with a reverse lockout, as long as the reverse lockout and the spring that moves that reverse lockout ring is all self-contained when you take off your factory shift knob, this will also work. Some cases you'll have a gap that may be unsightly. You can buy adapters from other third parties that can cover that gap, but it will work. What will not work is if the spring for your reverse lockout ring is on top of the ring, meaning it's between the bottom of the shifter and the top of the lockout ring, our product will not work because our shifters will not have a way to encompass or accommodate that lockout ring spring and keep it contained as the factory shift knob would. In some of those cases, you can buy some adapters from third parties that can encompass that spring and help you. But so for example, Subarus and like the Toyota GR86, those have reverse lockout rings that are fully encapsulated by themselves onto the rod and do not have or need the shift knob itself to function as part of that. So in that case, those manuals will work as well. So again, just to reiterate, before you purchase, just double check that your shift knob just has a simple threaded rod between the sizes of 12 millimeters and 8 millimeters. As long as you're within that range, one of the three adapters will work.